Welcome back, everybody, to the Not Whole Game. We're atop the Mickey Friends parking structure, looking at the backside of Galaxy's Edge, and it's pretty much normal back here, but I noticed this week a whole lot of mesh work being added, finally, to the structural, the framework that was being put on top of the Q building for Galaxy, or for Mission Bar, for Battle Escape. That kind of, for me, it feels like that's an acceleration in terms of how close we're getting to completion. Just like that mesh work there at the front side of the building there as well. We're gonna continue scanning the top of Battle Escape. This part here is looking about the same as it has week over week. I kind of feel like that's pretty much the extent of it. Although I've said that before, that we've reached the final extent to the construction, and then been surprised that they've added even more stuff like those new frameworks that are coming up back there. So we may still see more of those individual force perspective type deals. Let's slide to the left side of the parking structure to look at Millennium Falcon building and the spires that are being, golly, I've just forgotten how little was there before and how much is there now. That is amazing. I'm wondering if they're going to find some way, I don't think they will, but I wish there could be some way to obscure this, the backside looks, the backside views that we get, kind of like, the view we have of California Screamin', or the Incredicoaster, or I should say Cars Land, really. The backside of Cadillac Range is not attractive, to say the least. Is that as good as it's going to get, I wonder? We'll head over to Rivers of America. This feels about the same, week over week.
I've been navigating these parts for years now, but I never get tired of taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Columbia River. The majestic trees. This is so peaceful.
I'm trying to see if I can't see anything through these tree lines of what's going on in the marketplace down at the ground level. It's just so difficult. It's so much that it's kind of become a blur at this point. That is cool. That is just the coolest. I cannot believe that they're building this in my backyard. Fantastic. A whole lot of that soon. I can't take my eyes off how much detail is being put on that spire right there, and I guess it's going to, eventually come into the rest of the areas there. But that's a lot of detail being applied there. It's going to look like a real mountain when they're done, man, or petrified tree. Okay, heading over to Toontown to look at what's going on from Chippendale's Treehouse. And the lighting today was pretty bad, so there's a lot of shadow being cast So the looks aren't great from here this week. Let's get in a little closer. Ian is calling that the black spire right there, the one in the middle, the one I compared to a crystal cathedral thing. He says that is the black spire, the one that they built, the spire that they built the marketplace around, and I would have to agree. That spire right there is going to play a major part in the story of Galaxy's Edge as we, walk around and live in it next year. But that's going to be the biggest one. That spire will be the biggest. Am I right? Wow. Hey, look at that. We got some more constructionizing happening. Looks like more parts coming in from Millennium Falcon. We saw a little bit of this last week too. I can't tell what that is. Anyone? Can anybody tell what that is? It's interesting that there have been occasions where you could see exactly where that was going to go. It wasn't, it was prefabbed and ready for viewing, ready to be just installed like a piece of Lego. I can't tell what that one is though. And we're going to watch them drop that sucker right in there. Come on, hold that, Dave. I don't know I think the boat's turning. There we go. And it is now Galaxy's Edge. Fantastic. Oh no, that tree tells a sad story. Thanks for watching, guys. That is the end of our update this week. We got photos. If you want to see photos of this, go to our website, freshbakedisney.com. We've already uploaded a report this week, but it's a companion piece to the video here. Photos that we took of all the construction going on around the park. And then stay tuned tomorrow for an update from the rest of Disneyland. All the progress being done at Tropical Hideaway and the Tiki Room. Tiki Room, guys, look out for the Tiki Room. That's all I'm saying. If you go see the photos. And we'll see you next week. Fresh bacon stuff. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!